Hey guys, what's up? I have a very large kind of, I wouldn't say massive, but it's quite large haul I'm gonna do today. And I am excited to see you and look at my new glasses. I can see everybody. Yes, I can see everybody. My hair looks frizzy. I actually need to put some conditioner on this because it looks really frizzy. But let me get this lighting right so you guys can see me. I was going to do a haul basically a couple of days ago because I received a lot of packages, but I wanted to wait to do a bigger haul to get everything together. I will be separating some of my hauls. Some of my hauls will be makeup related, and some of my hauls will be technology, the phone cases and stuff from my phone related. But basically, I've been ordering some makeup products because I really need to get, all this on fleek because, I have some problem areas and some areas I definitely need to fix because I used to have quite a bit of makeup, but I lost a lot of it. It was just like pretty much like stuff like elf and like kind of cheap price makeup. And I basically lost a lot of that, a lot of good products, and I just really needed to regroup and get back in the swing of things and step back up on my my makeup game so I can slay like I need to slay. So basically, one video, like I'll start doing makeup tutorials, well, a little bit, not too much, mostly hauls until I get back in the swing of things when it comes to makeup because I haven't had any makeup products in a while. So basically, that is my plan, and also I will be doing hauls on my phone cases, chargers, and stuff like that because I got my new iPhone Plus 6, my new iPhone 6 Plus. So that's that, and I hope all you guys can see me. I know I'm looking really dark, and my eyebrows are looking really crappy, but let's start nevertheless. And let's just jump into everything. I think I'm going to start basically with the technology first, and then the next video will be makeup related, and you guys can check all that out, and I can go into details. I will make it my business to put the prices of the items, the name of the items, so you can find it, and it can be easy for you guys to find it if you want to purchase it and all that good stuff. So, I have a bunch of goodies. Let me show you. Actually, I'm gonna show you all the packages related to this video. So we'll do it like that. That's that. Oh, it's not that. All right. Okay, and these are the little goodies I have for this video. It is a little brown. This is the pop socket. I actually opened it because I wanted to show my sister. She had ordered one and she wanted to see what it looked like. She couldn't wait. She was eager. And some gifts from China, Aliexpress, I believe. Yes, I believe these are Aliexpress. So let's just start with the one that's open. Again, I will be doing makeup hauls most likely, and then eventually I'll be jumping up to tutorials once I get a better camera so you guys can see. But this camera's pretty decent, so I could do a makeup tutorial on this camera. I would just have to get my lighting together. And this is definitely not off my computer. This is off my cell phone. And it has enough space to hold it, so it's awesome. Okay. Let's start with this. Let's start with, yeah, the one that's open first. Oh, yeah. This is actually another one. This is an Ipsy one, so I forgot about that one. So let's start with the pop sockets first. And hi, everyone. How's everybody doing on this Thursday evening? I actually have homework to do later. I might end up doing it tomorrow. So let's look in here. And this is pop sockets. This came from Boulder, Colorado. I'm really excited about this, guys. I don't want to show all my personal business. So this is what the pop sockets basically look like on paper. You guys can see. Yeah, I don't want to show my address. I have one that says dope, another one that has a galaxy, and another one that has pizza because I love pizza. And I think they're so cute. They're so cute. And they actually gave me a discount code on another sheet, 10% off, to get another one. And I will definitely you know, put them on my IG, my Instagram, tag them actually. So that would be pretty dope. Tag them on my Instagram. It came in this really brownish packaging, kind of ghetto looking packaging. And the price for these three were $28. I used the Pop Friend coupon. It took $2 off. All of these were on the page. I just did different accordion colors. As you can tell, it took about, I ordered this on the 18th, didn't ship it to the 24th. I didn't receive it until like the end of January, so that's that. So I'll put that over there. Sorry, my hair looks really raggedy right now. Yeah, they all came together like this. Can you guys see? Probably a little bit closer like this. There is the Galaxy one. It has a soft, like, velvety touch. I'll show you this one first. It's a soft, like, velvety touch right here. The pop socket shows what you can use it for, how you can use it. The back shows you how to actually put it on. And I love this color right here. And this is the sticky part. I gotta peel it off and attach it to the back. And it also says, you know, Pop Sockets is on Instagram, Twitter, and YouTube and Facebook. I follow them on all the social networks. And I will be tagging them on Facebook and Instagram and all their social networks. And YouTube as well. And this is cute. I love the way it feels. I really do. I like the way it feels. I love the color. It's so cute. I'm not so worried about matching up with my cases. I know these are wild colors and they're not going to match. Some of these are going to look different, but that's cool because I like being different. So, whatever. So, that's a Galaxy one. This is my fave, pizza. I made sure to try to make the pizza one match. It has the red on the back as for the pepperonis and the yellow accordion for the cheese. I thought this was so cute. I was like, ooh, I've seen this. And I said, this is so me. I love pizza. I have to have this one. It's so cute. So cute. I had to buy this. And I put each of these on different cases, so I ordered quite a bit. I actually have another set coming, 3 more. I have one that has tacos that I custom made because I love tacos. And I also got this one. I just thought it was cute. Fruit Loops. I used to eat Fruit Loops all the time when I was smaller. And it has a peak accordion. And it has like a nice minty tealish backing. And I thought that was just really cute. I won't be putting this on camera. This is something I'm probably going to need to, because I'm using my phone right now to do the video. So this is something I probably will do like off camera. But I can feel the stickiness just on the back of here. Even with this still on, I can still feel it kind of tacky. But these are definitely really cute. And I cannot wait to put them on my cases. I actually have 3 cases. So I'll be putting all 3 of these on today. And I'll probably put it on Instagram, how I have them on my cases. And how they look so cute on my cases. I mean, yeah. So you guys can see the Galaxy. I think actually that one is called, hold on one second. That one is called Blue Nebula. And then, oh, that's my computer. And then I have the Fruit Loop one, which says dope, and that's just dope. And then Pizza Paper is the pizza one, and they're really cute. Really cute, guys. So definitely get yourself some Pop Sockets. I'm trying to put everybody onto these things. They are awesome. So that's definitely that. And that moves us to our next package. This came from China. I'm really excited. You can probably actually see where it focus. Says China. It came from China. It's actually in China. And this feels like one of my very cool phone cases. So let's definitely open this up. Let's definitely open this up. Or rip it open. Yeah, I'm actually opening this one up on camera. Oh, what is this? Oh, I was actually looking at this the other day when I was ordering some makeup. I was contemplating getting the Kylie Jenner lip kit. So I was like, no, I'm going to look for a dupe. So I looked for a dupe. Okay, it looked different on the screen, but let's see. This is the phone case I received from Aliexpress. It's clear. I'm not mad because it'll really be easy to match with my pop socket. I just didn't think it would look so cheapy looking. Yeah, it literally, like you can feel the sticker on the back of it, like right there. But it's cute. You know, I'm all Kylie Jenner. I love Kylie Jenner. I love Beyonce a little bit more than I love her, but it's cute. It's just cheapy looking. But hey, for $1, can you complain? It's cute. I would put this on my phone, but I'm using camera off my phone because it's better. So yes, that's the Kylie Jenner phone case I got from Aliexpress for $1. And it's cute. I can make it work, you know. Hey, what's up? You know, I like it. It's clear. So it'll be easy to work with. So this is the phone case again. It's cute for my iPhone 6 Plus. So I'm excited to definitely use that for my iPhone 6 Plus. And that brings us to our next one. And this one is from China. I didn't put a sticker on here, so I don't want anybody seeing my address. China. And let's open this up. It's always so hard to get these open. I've been excited to open these, guys. Like, some of this stuff I really waited for you guys to see before I decided to open up, because I just wanted you guys to be able to see, and we could open it up together. And I will definitely write down all the stuff that I received and how much I paid for it. I know these were really cheap, for $1. Oh, I'm about to flip. Ooh, I'm about to keep this bag too. I could use that. Let me put my stuff I received over here. Put that stuff over here. And this is my Beyoncé phone case I ordered. I think this was like $3 though. I like this backing, this plastic backing. I'm sorry if you see the reflection. It's my computer screen. But yeah, I love this. It's very reflective. Lemonade. I love Beyonce, you know. So I definitely had to get a Beyonce case. I am loving this. This is so cute. I'm gonna work this. I love this. And I could definitely put a pop stocking on the back. I don't know which one I would put on the back of here. I could do this one, or I could really do this one. This one, I could work with that. Yeah, that would be cute. But I love this. So I got 2 phone cases. Hold on a second. I have my Kylie Jenner phone case, and I got my Beyonce phone case today. And they're cute. And I love phone cases, so I had to get my phone case game up. But those are cute to put in my little box with my other phone cases. So that's what's up with that. And that is basically... Oh, I'm about to say, that's the end of the video, but I got something else sitting over here. Oh, yeah. This is from Ipsy. What did they put on here? Must pay priority mail price to get tracking on a letter or a flag. Okay, I don't know what the hell they're talking about, but whatever. What's in here? See, in Ipsy, they usually give me some. Oh, they give me a discount. See, they make you buy more stuff. I still got a discount sitting over there. That's like for, I think it's for, what's that discount for? Oh, 5% off. Yeah, this discount is for 10% off. Okay, and let's see. This is from Decal Phanatics, and I am going to definitely tag them so I can give them the respect they deserve for their product. It says 10% off your next order of 99 cents or more. Enter this coupon. I have it to the end of this year to use it. Oh, it says review it on Ipsy. I will be reviewing it on Ipsy, just to let you know. I understand how important reviews are when I read them, so I definitely will be reviewing it It basically tells me how to put this on. I already know how because I've done this before. Okay. And the 10% off coupon, that's really great. That's really great. Really good. Basically, this one says, hold on. I don't know if you guys can, like, read it. I'm not really sure. I don't want to peel this off because I don't want. But basically, it says this girl runs off. Yeah, runs on Jesus and cupcakes. Oh, runs on Jesus and cupcakes. So basically, I'm gonna put that here, and it's way smaller than what I thought. I have a lot more space, so I might be getting more of these. And I could put that right here actually, and still have space on my keyboard and my computer. I don't know if you guys can see, but I'll show you guys. Basically, I still have space right there. That's where I would go with it. So I would still have space to put this and put other ones on here because I have my other one on here as well. So that is that for that part of the haul. I will be doing my makeup haul next, so definitely check that out. But as always, guys, thanks for watching. Subscribe, like, comment, as always, and peace, love, and harmony.